Hello, my name's Eddie with Uniform Bright. I'm an expert witness and an expert consultant in the uniform rental industry. Inventory maintenance charges is what we're talking about today. It's so egregious back in the day when I used to be a driver. I used to service accounts as a customer sales representative for major uniform rental companies. They used to loss charge the companies, and they used to damage charge them for the towels. And customers got so mad, it just became a practice that was infuriating for the customers. And so, industry wide, they changed and they flipped to an insurance way of doing it. So now they just charge you a flat rate. People don't say anything. They're getting charged 2, 4, 6, 8%. Even on one case recently, the customer's paying $60 to rent their towels and $90 for the inventory maintenance. It's just a total abuse, especially when it comes to what I've noticed is Aramark. Aramark really abuses their customers when it comes to this. It's just a big, huge revenue grab. And customers are used to not being able to do anything with it. They've already been pushed around. They've already been told they're in a contract and they can't do anything. They've been threatened with liquidated loss damages charges if they try to cancel the contract. And but you know what? I come in and I can help you write the legal letters, the terminology that you can find in the contract that shows how they can't be charging you for that. So if you're interested in something like that, all my contact information is going to be below. Go ahead and send me a copy of your uniform rental contract and an invoice, and we'll schedule a call. I'll help you out the best I can. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.